What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get approved for Wells Fargo's new 0% interest Signify business cash card. All right, but before we get into the video, if you still haven't, I strongly recommend you join our free community called Funding School, which will be paid after 50 members join. This is where I post a lot of stuff like this. I posted the Wells Fargo card in here before I made the video about it. So strongly recommend you join if you still haven't. All right, guys, let's get straight into the video. So how do you get approved for Wells Fargo's new business credit card? Here are the data points. So the first thing you should do is open up a business checking account with them if you still haven't. You want it to be open for at least 60 business days before you apply for the card. If you don't, you risk getting an inquiry for no reason. So I strongly recommend you have the account open for 60 business days before you apply for the card. The second thing you want to keep in mind is you want to have at least 5 to 3 inquiries or less on your credit report, and they pull Experian. So make sure you have 3 to 5, less than 3 or 5 inquiries on Experian. If you have more, I recommend you get them removed before you apply. If you don't know how to do that, it's something I go over in the community. I have a post right here that shows you how to remove hard inquiries in 24 hours on all 3 credit bureaus. So if you still haven't, check this out and you can use the information here to remove the inquiries. Another thing you want to keep in mind is you want to have at least a 700 plus credit score. 700 plus credit score before you apply for this card. Lately, a lot of banks have been tightening up and they really care that you have a good credit score, 0 negative items on the credit report, and you have a relationship with them. A lot of banks like PNC are asking for even like 1 year of tax returns. So like I strongly recommend that you have relationships with multiple banks and plan this out 6 months to a year ahead before you even start applying for stuff, just so you could be prepared to get approvals by seasoning your accounts and having a deposit relationship with the banks before you apply for the cards. So with this card, make sure that you have at least 700 plus credit score before you apply for this card in order to maximize your chances of approvals and not just get a hard inquiry for no reason. Another thing I wanted to update you guys on is they did recently say they will be dropping 3 new business credit cards, Signify. I don't know how true this is, but it is something to keep in mind and plan for if they do. And another reason to open up a business checking account with them if you still haven't. They also have good business lines of credit that go up to 50K, no doc, and over the 50K, they will be asking for docs. So if you still don't have a relationship with Wells Fargo, I definitely do recommend you open one up ASAP, because they have amazing personal cards that I'll pull up here. They have a personal card that's 0% interest for 18 months, which is very rare right now. With a lot of banks aren't doing that, and they are. So I strongly recommend that you open up an account with them. When it comes to the personal cards, they do pull Equifax. I did go over this in a recent video I just dropped. I think the video that was going over how to get 500K in funding in 2024. So if you still haven't, check out that video. So yeah, when it comes to the personal cards, they pull Equifax. And when it comes to the business credit cards, they pull Wells Fargo. So if you do have inquiries, get them removed. Like I said, I show you how to do that in this post. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys got a lot of value, and I hope you guys get approved. If you do get approved, make sure to include it in the comments and let us know how it went. All right, guys, I'll see you here in the next video.